And we are a little further along with the framing. We have a pocket door kit for the tall 8-foot door for the closet behind the corner and regular one for the bathroom. We use the probably the best pocket door kits on the market, cavity sliders with the soft stop. So it was a learning curve, but this is the best pocket door kit I've seen. Super sturdy, heavy duty aluminum, self-supporting frame in the track, so track doesn't have to be even attached to the very top. It's and you will see when we get to it the details for the removable jam. This is really the nicest pocket door kit, and here you can enjoy the soft close mechanism we installed. Boom, it's done. This is just a dummy door, as they say, because we wanted to make sure we have this glide system in nice and done. It has the door has a, oh, hard to see, the door has a groove for the guide, so it's nice and tight. And we have the soft close mechanism only on this end, because here the door hits these foam blocks which are top and bottom, and it's a memory foam, so that's gets in nice and easy. One more time, nice, perfect soft close detail. Boom. So yeah, that was a little bit of a learning curve here, because we are in a retrofit situation, so it wasn't as simple as they show on instructions when it's a new construction, but we've got it all figured out and all in place. Tall one here for the closet on the other side behind the shower, and the regular one here. So thank you for watching, and keep following this project, because there are more cool stuff coming here, because those are not the boxes that stay here. And when you would see the fixtures we have as a plugs for these things, you wouldn't believe. This is one of a kind.